Hi friends, you've been working so hard on measuring. So today we're going to move on to measuring with cubes. We've measured how long and short something is. We've measured how short and tall something is. Well, we know that when we measure, we can measure by the height. Height is like when we talk about how tall something is. So this says the word height. How tall a person or object is standing. We can also talk about the length, that's side to side, how long an object is end to end. So here you'll see that this friend is measuring with cubes, our 10 stick, we know that, and we know that there's 10 little ones cubes in that 10 stick. You can also use something called a ruler. Now lots of different jobs use a ruler to help them measure things. So that's why we practice measuring, because when we get older and we have our own house, or if we want to measure something in our own room, we can use something called a ruler. But today we're just going to measure using cubes to help our little brains practice. So I'm going to move on to this pair of pants. So with this pair of pants, the cube is already there for me, so I don't even have to move it. But if you notice, it's lined up right at the bottom again. Remember how we did the fish and we had to line them up? Well, this 10 stick is not starting in the middle. It's starting right at the bottom. So they're starting in the same place. Now I'm going to go up to where those pants end, about. So we say about because it's not going to be perfect and exact. We're just going to say about. We want to know how many cubes tall this pair of pants is. So I'm going to say we're going to stop about right here, this cube. All right, now I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 cubes. So I'm going to write the number 5. 5 cubes. I'm going to go on to my next. And this is what you're going to practice. You've got some really cool things to measure using your 10 stick. So here's our cubes here. And this looks very tall. Kind of looks like it goes all the way to the top. And it does. If we see the tallest point, it goes all the way to the top. So I'm going to count those cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, this flower is 10 cubes tall. So now your job, I want you to see how tall this sheep is. But I want you to notice we're not going to stop right here at his face. We're going to go all the way to the tippy top of his head. And we're going to see about how many cubes. And we're also on the next slide going to see length. So side to side. So from the start to just about the end. So you're going to see some for how tall they are, and some length side to side. So I want you to try your very best. You did such a great job listening. Now let's see what you can do.